Hello and welcome to this video on how to play a B7th chord. As soon as you're ready, let's get started. Step 1. Put your hand in a closed fist position. Slowly open up your fingers, keeping them well rounded, as if you were holding on to a tennis ball. Place your thumb on the neck behind the fretboard, keeping it well hidden. Step 2. Begin with your 4th finger. Press down on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then with your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. With your 1st finger, now press down on the 4th string, 1st fret. Finally, with your 2nd finger, press down on the 5th string, 2nd fret, like this. Always use the tip of your fingers to press down on the strings, and make sure you keep your fingers well rounded. Step 3. With a thumb or a pick, place it on the 5th string. Slide down across the strings as smoothly as possible, like this. Make sure you do these 3 steps every day at least 10 times. Before you know it, you will have become a master at the B7th chord. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you, good luck, and enjoy practicing your guitar.